Your eyes are misty now, but there's light there to be found. Some sunlit day. Dear, you're full of fear, and I am a little too, but I'm also full of you, long as you're near. Slow